So portfolios are important because they're your way of curating your best work. I think ultimately when people are looking at your portfolio, they are looking for something that they can identify with and something that they can sell. You're dealing with people who are looking at a ton of work. They have a very short attention span. So you have to knock them off their feet in the very first image. Put your strongest work in the beginning of your portfolio, your newest work, anything that you're the most proud of, but you also have to have a good flow. There has to be a rhythm to your work. You can't put two incredibly disparate images next to each other. So you want to find certain themes, whether it's color, whether it's subject matter, and try to find a rhythm and place those like things together so the transition between images makes sense. My portfolio is pretty long. I have probably 80 images, but I also have kind of a condensed version of my portfolio as well. So if I know I'm going into a meeting and I have a little time, I'll bring in the longer one and let them kind of sit with it. But sometimes you know you're going into a meeting, you only have a short period of time. In that case, I would bring in probably your best 20 to 30 images, wow them with great work, and keep it short. I try to update my portfolio probably twice a year. I find that like every 6 months I've got enough additional work that I want to throw it in there and rearrange things a little bit. I have a printed and a digital portfolio, but I really feel that people have responded to printed portfolios better in my case. I printed it fairly large. It's 11 by 17, and for whatever reason, I think putting a printed image in front of someone helps them to linger a little bit longer on that shot versus just kind of swiping through digitally. I certainly think great presentation in your physical portfolio helps, but at the end of the day, people really just want to see your photography. They want to see how well you can shoot. They want to see your concepts. The most important thing is getting those images in front of the people and starting that conversation.